I hope you all are very safe at home. Be at home. Don't go outside. It's because of Corona. Everyone is getting harmed from Corona, and its effect is very bad. So be safe. So, and for this, because of this Corona disease, school is not running. So I am doing my class from home. So get a basic of computers. Okay, my name is Saurabh. You all know. So today I am going to start my topic for the MS Paint, and this is especially for class 1. Look, for class 1, and my topic will be MS Paint. You all know what is MS Paint. You have done practical in class, lab, computer lab. No. You all are new for this lab. Okay. After opening of the school, I will let you know what is MS Paint. For basic knowledge, MS Paint is it is a tool in a computer using which you can draw pictures. Like you draw pictures in your computer, in your drawing book. In the same way, you draw pictures on a computer. Okay, you use rubber, pencil, eraser, color, sketch color. Okay, to make a drawing, and these are also available in the MS Paint. Fine. How you will start MS Paint? After discussing today's topic, you can able to give the answer of what is MS Paint, how you start MS Paint, and different uses of MS Paint. I am writing one more question. You all note down these questions. These are very important. Write different steps to open MS Paint. MS Paint. Okay. Fine. Different steps to open MS Paint. First I will tell you what is MS Paint. MS Paint is a tool using which we draw our pictures in computer, and we can also color it. Okay. Using different tools in MS Paint, we can also color it. And from where we get MS Paint? Fine. We get MS Paint. It is a MS Paint means Microsoft Paint. MS Paint is available in the window itself. We click on start menu, then click on all programs, then click on accessories, and in accessories menu you will find MS Paint. Okay. So you can give different steps to open MS Paint. I am discussing this question. Answer of this question will be to open MS Paint. We click start all program, accessories, then MS Paint. Fine. How will you open MS Paint? We click on start menu, then all program menu, then accessories, and then MS Paint. Okay. You write these 3 questions. These are very important questions for the exam purpose. So you write this answer of these 3 questions in your copy. Okay. Now I am rubbing. Our next question will be different tools used in the MS Paint. I have discussed 2 questions. What is MS Paint and how will you open it? You have to write the answer of these questions. What is MS Paint? MS Paint is a tool using which we draw our pictures in computer. And from where we open it? We open it from the start menu, all programs, accessories, then MS Paint. Fine? Okay. Now I am moving different tools used in MS Paint to draw our drawing. different tools used in MS Paint. Tools are A. Line tool. Using this tool, you draw line. B. Fill with color. Fill with color. Using this tool, you can fill color in different shapes. And this is shape tool. Not shape, it is a circle tool. Using this tool, you draw circle. Next one is rectangle tool. Using this tool, you draw rectangle. Next is eraser tool. Using this tool, we erase our pictures. Next one is magnifying tool. Using this tool, we can enlarge the pictures and we can edit it. And the last one is ruler. Using ruler, you work like a scale we use in drawing. Okay. So again, these are the different tools. Using these tools, these tools are helpful for drawing our shapes in the MS Paint. So I am not extending these topics very much. I know it is new for you. This is totally a practical topic, and you can learn it after opening of the school. I will arrange practical for you in the computer lab. Okay, and till that time, you just note down this question at your home. And if you have computer at home, just start practicing after asking your mom and dad. Your brothers, elder brother, sister can also help. This is a very easy topic and very interesting for you also. I know most of you knows little bit in computer about this MS Paint at home. Mom and dad have taught you. So at the end of our topic of MS Paint, I am giving you a little assignment for you at home. Little practical assignment it is. Okay. I have given you those questions and note down in your copy. And again do a practical at home. Question will be draw different shapes in MS Paint and color it using paint tool. Okay, I know it is very easy and very interesting. You can do it. So I am ending our today's class. So, and be safe at home. Don't go outside. Just wait for government instruction. When school will open, we will discuss many more things in the MS Paint. Have a good day.